So in Microsoft Edge browser right here, if I were to go around and click, you can see that I have something over here that popped up. That is the history of what I actually viewed. If I were to go around right here, you can see what I viewed in the past right here just by typing in a few letters. But for some privacy reasons, sometimes you may not want that to happen. So what you can do is you can clear out history. And to clear out history in Microsoft Edge browser, you can click on the three dot icon right here and click on history right here. And then once you do that, what happens is that you can see the history of what you have over here, as you can see. So you can see the history on what you have access. And now if you want to clear this out, you can click on the more option right here. And then here you can open up the history page right here to access the history page in detail, or directly from the history over here, you can delete out the history data as well. You can clear out the browsing data if you want to. So on the top, you can click on the individual icons right here to actually clear out the history right here. Simply click on this, and then what happens is that the history will be cleared out right here. Or you can click on clear browsing data, and then what happens is that it gives you an option of what you want to clear. If there's some, say, password and everything, you can clear that out as well. You can even select the time range of how much history you want to clear out. Right now, you can see it says last hour, but if you choose all time and select out everything right here, so let's just go around, select out everything right here, click on clear history, then what happens is that it clears out all of the data you have right here. So that is how you can make sure that none of your personal data gets leaked out accidentally. So if I were to click over here now, you can you cannot see the auto drop down menu that pops up. Even if I were to type in something, the history pages has been removed. There's this suggestion right here, as if this was a fresh started browser. So that is how you can clear out the history inside of Microsoft Edge browser in Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.